The ERA Valiant wireless solar siren alarm system comes complete with a solar siren, a pet-friendly PIR movement sensor, a window door magnetic and a remote control. For the installer, the system has been made easy to install and you don't need to be a Part P qualified electrician. The wireless solar siren has a prowler deterrent light that flashes every 5 seconds to deter any would-be intruder. And in an alarm condition, the siren will sound a very loud 105 decibel siren with bright flashing LED lights. The pet-friendly PIR movement detector is already registered to the control panel. To activate the sensor, you just pull the battery tag out and the sensor is now live and connected to the control panel. The pet-friendly PIR movement sensor can be adjusted so that the homeowner's pets won't be detected or activate the alarm. And the PIR has a range up to 8 meters. The wireless door window magnetic, again, is already registered to the control panel. So it's a simple matter of just pulling the tag to engage the system. The wireless door magnetic can be installed very quickly and simply using the double-sided sticky back tape that comes in the kit, and it will detect the door or window being opened. The wireless remote control allows the homeowner to simply alarm the system from anywhere around their home, as easy as setting your car alarm. The remote can arm the whole alarm system or just part of your alarm system, and can also disarm the alarm system. And it has a panic button which would activate the alarm system in an emergency even if the alarm is not set. Additional accessories and sensors are available for all ERA alarm systems, and these include external solar sirens, replica sirens, internal plug-in sirens and a wired external siren. We also do a range of PIR sensors, including curtain sensors, ceiling PIR sensors and pet-friendly PIR sensors. We also have smoke detectors, water and flood detectors and panic buttons. You can also add internal IP cameras, range extenders that will extend the transmitting range to up to 250 meters, and a remote battery keypad with RFID capability. And of course, you can always add extra remote controls. For more information, visit our website